everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 24th to the 28th of April 2023 on Monday. Luzuko realizes his closest ally has betrayed him. Mpilo is ready to move on after being hurt by love on Tuesday. Luzuko can't bring himself to comfort or to confront Msimelo about the hospital wristband. Mpilo dumps Samkelo just as things start between them. Zimkita is afraid that Luzuko will find out about her involvement in his assassination attempt on Wednesday. Zimkita tries hard to convince Luzuko to off Msimelo. Msimelo worries about Luzuko's behavior toward him of late. Mpilo is willing to be a side piece after Dumisani explained himself to him on Thursday. Luzuko finally comes face to face with the snake in his midst. Mpilo's old flame ignites new problems between him and his siblings on Friday. Msimelo put on the performance of a lifetime. Fundiswa is worried about the length Mpilo will go to be with Dumisani. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.